네, 여러분 안녕하세요. Hello, welcome to Korean with Sean. Of course, my name is Sean. Today, we are going to take a look at how to read Hangeul, which is Korean alphabets. In the last video, we went through all the vowels together. If you haven't watched it yet, you can go back to watch it now, or you can just watch it after this video. Either's fine. Alright, then let's start with consonants. These are the consonants, and I'm going to read their names out for you. So try to focus on the sounds as much as you can, or you can even try to copy me. Here we go. 기억, 기억. 니은, 니은. 디귿, 디귿. 리을, 리을. 미음, 미음. 비읍, 비읍. 시옷, 시옷. 이응, 이응. 지읒, 지읒. 치읒, 치읒. 키읔, 키읔. 티읒, 티읒. 피읍, 피읍. 희응, 희응. I just read the names for you. Can you guess what they sound like? Let's go through them together. First, 기역, 기기. Right. G or K sound as in ground. 니은, 니니. N sound as in name. 디귿, 디디. D sound as in dead. 리을, 리리. L or R sound as in library. 미음, 미미. M sound as in mom. 비읍, 비비. B sound as in bank. 시옷, 시시. S sound as in sister. 이응, 이이, 으으. NG sound as in ing, insing. Or silent sound. 지읒, 지지. J sound as in gym. 치읒, 치치. CH sound as in chicken. 키읔, 키키. K sound as in kiwi. 티읒, 티티. T sound as in teacher. 피읍, 피피. P sound as in park. 희응, 히히. H sound as in hope. Alright, I just read them all with the English sound for you. It is not exactly the same with the English sound, but if you link them together, then it will help you understand how it sounds like and remember easily. Alright, so with the last video about vowels, we have now gone through all the vowels and consonants. Now, this is more important part. Now we are going to put them together. We are going to combine them to make a syllable which is a single sound. Let's take a look at some words. Can you guys read this one? First, 기역, 기기, which is G sound, plus 아. So it will be, yes, 가. And the second part starting with also 기역, plus 우. So it will be 구. Altogether, 가구, 가구, which means furniture. Let's do one more word. 시옷, S sound, plus 여. So it becomes 셔. And then 니은, which is N sound at the bottom. So 셔언, 션. You got it? And the next starts with 키읔 plus 이 equals to 키. And then 미음, which is M sound at the bottom. 키임, 킴. So all together, 션킴, 션킴. Yes, it's my name. Alright, then here's a pop quiz for you. Try to read them. If you need more time, then pause and have some time to figure it out. Alright, then let's read it together. 한국어는 쉬워요. 한국어는 쉬워요. 한국어는 쉬워요. Which means Korean is easy. If you didn't get that right, it's all okay. Just watch this video and the vowels video a couple of times more. Then you will get there. I'd like to give you your first homework. If you can write Hangul on your phone or computer, try to write your name in Korean and English in the comments below. If you get stuck with it, then just write your name in English so that your peer learners and I can help you. Sounds cool? Alright, that's for today. Thank you for visiting Korean with Sean and watching my video. I'm going to upload very useful videos for Korean learners, so please make sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Also, please share this video with your friends who are also learning Korean. Alright, I will see you in the next video. 그럼 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕.